Pypes Street-Pro dual catback exhaust with turn-down tips is a great option for the 98 to 04 Mustang V6 owners who are tired of the stock single-exit exhaust look and sound and want one of the most affordable stainless steel exhausts with a true dual muffler and exit design. The Pypes will provide a small bump in power and give you more tone without going overboard, to give you a look and sound that's a little closer to the GT. This exhaust also retains the factory exhaust exit angle, so no cutting of your bumper will be required. I'll be giving this 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and expect it to take about 2 hours to complete. Once you install the Pypes Street-Pro, it'll wake up your V6 with a nice deeper tone that's similar to the V8 at idle, and I think you'll love it with every start. It won't get too loud or raspy once you get on it either, and it won't drone at highway speeds. So I'm giving the Pypes Street-Pro exhaust 2 out of 5 on our 1 to 5 or 1 to wake the neighbor scale. The exhaust is made from 409 stainless steel throughout with 2.5-inch tubing to the tips. Everything is mandrel-bent to ensure a free-flowing exhaust. It flows through Pypes' 3-chamber mufflers for that throaty sound you're looking for. The 409 stainless is the same material your stock system is made from, so you can expect it to last the life of your Mustang thanks to its natural resistance to corrosion. The whole system bolts right up to your stock Y-pipe and uses the factory hanger locations for a smooth install. At just under $400, this is a great price for a bolt-on stainless steel exhaust. This is currently the most affordable dual-exit stainless steel kit we offer. With the quality of the materials used and the ease of the install and no permanent modification needed to your bumper, this would be a great value alone for these reasons. You could spend a few $100s more for a true dual exhaust conversion kit with an X-pipe, or if you're looking for a 304 stainless kit. This is a bolt-on design that does not require any permanent modification to your car or bumper. I'll be giving this 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and expect it to take about 2 hours to complete.
The first step is going to be raising up your vehicle. Next, we're going to be unbolting the exhaust where the Y-pipe comes in. Next, to assist in the removal of the stock exhaust, we're going to cut it where the exhaust comes over the axle. In order to ease the removal of the stock exhaust, use a penetrating lubricant on the exhaust hangers. Next, we're going to be replacing the stock hangers with the aftermarket hangers. Save the hardware as you will be reusing it later. Insert the new clip nuts where the previous hanger was placed. Insert more clip nuts where the rear portion of the exhaust will link up. Install your aftermarket exhaust hangers. Next, install the tailpipe. Struggling. Repeat the same on the opposite side.
That's my review and install on Pypes Street-Pro dual catback exhaust. Check this out and more at AmericanMuscle.com.